What's up? How's everybody doing? My name is Rishabh Ojha and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing and taking a first flight of DJI Mini 2. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video.
Wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time.
So this is the final retail box that you will get. Comes in this white box and you can see the DJI Mini 2 branding at the top. This is a Flymo combo, which means you will get the bag, the drone itself, the new remote controller, battery charger, 3 extra propellers and 3 extra batteries. Now let me just open this up. You have to remember that in India, drones which come in the nano category cannot fly above 50 meters, and this drone weighs 249 grams, which means you won't be able to fly this above 15 meters. The first thing straight out of the box is the black carry bag. It is made up of very nice material and feels very premium. Has one additional pocket in the front and you can keep your extra accessories here. Opening up the zip, you will see the DJI has packed up a lot of things here. We'll start with the upper zip. You get 3 extra propellers, 1 extra pair of sticks, 1 screwdriver to change the propellers, and then finally the drone. It feels very light and small, guys. You get this new propeller guard, and as you can see, it is very small and fits in my palm. Opening up the propeller guard, and you will see one of the 3 batteries is already inside the drone. You got to charge all 3 of them first, and there you can see one USB type C port and micro SD slot. Closing this up, and this is how the drone opens up. Now this is the new remote controller from DJI. I'm really excited for this, not because it is bigger and bulky, but because it feels very premium and robust. It is the same RC that you will get in the DJI Mavic Air 2. The 2 sticks are carefully hidden below the RC and you need to screw them up tightly. You can put your phone on top and connect the RC cable from here. In the accessory box, you get your battery charger, which will house all 3 batteries. These batteries are better than Mini 1 and has a flight time of 31 minutes. You get 3 RC cables depending on which phone you are going to be using, and a USB type C cable. Now I'm standing near Lake Buddy, which is, less people know about this. This is about 25 to 30 minutes from the main city of Udaipur, Rajasthan. If you are visiting Udaipur, then this is the place to be. This is my favorite lake here. Udaipur is known for its lakes, but then not many people come to this place. Slowly this is becoming commercial, and a lot of pre-wedding shoots are starting to happen here. DJI has restricted drones below 250 grams to fly above 15 meters, so this has a restriction, but then I'm gonna tell you how to hack it, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel and watch out for this space, as I will tell you how to hack this drone. Okay, so this is the drone. This is very small, as you can see. There are a few reasons why I chose this drone over other drones. Is because number 1, this has now capability of shooting in 4K 30 frames per second. Number 2 is it weighs only 249 grams, which means you don't need to register or have a drone license to fly this. Number 3 is it has OcuSync 2.0, which is a big thing compared to its predecessor. This has radio signal, which means it can toggle between 2.4 GHz to 5.8 GHz radio frequencies. यानी कि जो आपका सिग्नल होगा RC और ड्रोन के बीच में वो बहुत ही सॉलिड होगा. It can fly up to 10 kilometers. I don't know how true it is. It has 3-axis gimbal. Also has 5 quick shots, which we are going to test right now. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly fly this. Okay, so this is going to be the maiden flight of DJI Mini 2. Maiden voyage.
कहाँ पे?
पता नहीं, I don't know, but somewhere very far.
is the maiden landing of DJI Mini 2.